Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to give you some really simple but beautiful DIY laundry room organization ideas. I recently helped my sister and brother-in-law renovate their laundry room in their downtown Edmonton loft condo. So today I want to share a before and after of that, plus give you tons of ideas on how you can organize your own laundry room. So I'm going to share their space and some ideas, free printable laundry room art, and a ton of other ideas. Plus I'm going to share my laundry room again and show some organization ideas from there, plus my parents' laundry room in their lake house, and share some organization ideas from there. If you are new to my channel and you like DIY and decorating ideas on a budget, please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll be the first to hear of my latest videos. Let's get started.
So first, let me show you the laundry room makeover in my sister and brother-in-law's condo. It's in downtown Edmonton. It's a rather modern industrial looking condo. So we wanted to take this very, very tiny laundry room closet and turn it into something that is not only practical for them and functional, but also matches the new style of their condo. So here's what we came up with for this industrial modern looking laundry room. What you'll notice right away is that we have used a stacking laundry pair. So that's the first tip, is to stack your laundry pair, especially if you have a super small little laundry room space like this. I also made this artwork, this vintage looking artwork, and put a basket underneath to hold some items and also a hanging laundry basket, and I used my Cricut machine to put this little laundry decal on there. I'll leave links to all of this in the description box below. The next tip for a laundry room is to add some greenery. This is more of a decor tip than an organization tip, but I think it just adds so much life to your laundry room. It can be faux or real dependent on your light situation. Next tip is use recycled containers to organize all of your cleaning supplies. So if you're putting all of your supplies out like I am in this laundry room for my sister, I just used some recycled mason jars, and then I found these free printable labels online to make them look extra cute. Next tip is to have fun with art. Even in a laundry room, I think it is fun to use artwork and to make it special and whimsical. So again, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can download this artwork for free. I had it printed at Staples and it was only $3 to print. Also, use baskets. They're a great organizational tool and they can add lots of texture to your laundry room. We were so lucky to be able to work with the brick on this makeover, and they sent us this beautiful Samsung laundry pair. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to read more about them. So I love how simple this laundry room looks and industrial, and I really think it now matches the style of my sister and brother-in-law's modern loft condo. Now let's move on to my laundry room. It's a little bit bigger than my sister's condo laundry room, and you might have seen it a few years ago here on my channel. I kind of have it in a vintage farmhouse style with some pops of color, red and turquoise, a little bit of brown, and I used an old door for the countertop in here to give it a little bit of extra charm. So my next tip for a laundry room is to build a pegboard wall like we did here. So we just used a giant pegboard we found at Home Depot and framed it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below on how to build that, and it is so awesome for organizing all my laundry room essentials. I also love to use hanging hampers. I use these in my sister's laundry room as well, and they are so handy to keep laundry up and off the floor. Also, try hanging a drying rack on your laundry room wall. This again takes it up and off the floor, and you can easily pull it in and out when you need to dry clothes on the laundry room rack. I also decorated my laundry room with some actual antique items and some items that look antique, like these vintage inspired tins. They're another great way, like baskets, to hide things but make them look extra cute. And then if you have the room, use some stock kitchen cabinets in your laundry room, and that can hide other things like large bottles of detergent and things that you don't want to display in your laundry room. Finally, I want to show you once again my parents' laundry room. It is a little bit bigger than mine, so I'm kind of going from small to big here in laundry room organization and decor ideas. They made this countertop out of some project board they found at Co-op. And the next tip for laundry room organization is to build some open shelving like they did. They just used some brackets at IKEA and some wood that they found at the home hardware store. You can also build or buy a hutch like my parents did, just for some extra linen storage in your laundry room. And the final tip for some laundry room organization is to hang your ironing board. So my mom built this really cute ironing board stand, and you might remember in my laundry room, I just have my ironing board hung up on my pegboard wall. And again, that takes things up and off the floor and makes the laundry room look extra cute.
Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you found it inspirational for your own laundry room organization this season. Let me know in the comments below which idea was your favorite. And if you have any more laundry room organization ideas that I haven't shared here, I would love to hear them. We would all love to hear them and get some inspiration going in the comment section below as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!